How to invest in stocks, a beginner's guide. Investing is a time-tested way of putting your money to work for you, as you work to earn more of it. Steps to get started. If you're just beginning your career, an investment goal could be to increase the amount of money in your account. Once a robo-advisor program has your goals, risk tolerance level, and other details, it automatically invests for you. Employers may make matching contributions on your behalf. A robo-advisor account. As referenced above, this type of account takes your investment goals and creates a stock portfolio for you. Minimums to open an account. The costs to invest in stocks. In most cases, your broker will charge a commission every time that you trade stocks, whether you buy or sell. Assuming a transaction fee of $10, you will incur $50 in trading costs, which is equivalent to 5% of your $1,000. Online brokers. Minimum account sizes can start at $25,000. Some also offer a set-it-and-forget-it robo-advisory service, more below. Robo-advisors. Stock market simulators. These simulators typically track price movements of investments and, depending on the simulator, other notable considerations such as trading fees or dividend payouts. What is the difference between a full service and a discount broker? Discount brokers have much lower thresholds for access, but tend to offer a more streamlined set of services. What are the risks of investing? How do commissions and fees work? The bottom line.